Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to plant green tea at home. Have you ever dreamed of sipping a fresh cup of tea grown right in your own garden? Well, today we're going to make that dream a reality. Growing your own green tea can be a wonderfully rewarding experience, bringing a touch of nature and a unique flavor to your daily routine. We'll cover everything from choosing the right starting material to harvesting your very first leaves. Get ready to cultivate your own delicious, homegrown tea. To begin your green tea journey, you have a couple of excellent options, starting from seeds or using cuttings. If you choose seeds, look for fresh, viable ones from a reputable supplier, as older seeds may not germinate well. For cuttings, you can often find them from existing tea plants or specialized nurseries. Cuttings tend to establish faster, giving you a head start. Whichever method you pick, ensuring quality starting material is the first crucial step towards a thriving tea plant. Once you have your seeds or cuttings, it's time to get them planted. Green tea plants thrive in well-draining, acidic soil, ideally with a pH between 5 and 6.5. Choose a spot that receives partial shade, especially during the hottest part of the day, as direct, intense sunlight can be too harsh. Keep the soil consistently moist but never waterlogged. Regular, gentle watering is key, and remember to protect your young plants from extreme temperatures. With a little care, your tea plants will flourish. The most exciting part is harvesting your very own tea leaves. Typically, you can start harvesting when your plants are about 2 to 3 years old and have developed several sets of leaves. Pluck the tender, young leaves and the unopened bud at the tip of each new shoot. This encourages further growth and ensures the best flavor. After harvesting, you can process them into green tea. Imagine the satisfaction of brewing a cup from your own garden. Enjoy the fruits of your labor.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.